Good morning, students. Hopefully, all of you are well at your home. Today, we start syllabus of second semester, organic chemistry, and our first chapter is alkene. Alkene are basically unsaturated hydrocarbon having carbon-carbon double bond. Alkenes are basically unsaturated hydrocarbon having carbon-carbon double bond. Alkenes are also known as olefins. Greek name is olefins because alkenes are oil forming substances. मीन्स क्योंकि वो ऑयल बनाती हैं इसी वजह से उन्हें क्या बोला जाता है, ऑलिफिन्स बोला जाता है. Alkenes having journal formula CnH2n, but be reminded in case of alkene N starts from 2. This is most important thing. Alkene having journal formula CnH2n, but in case of alkene N starts from 2. So our first alkene is C2H4 and that name is ethene. In case of alkene carbon-carbon double bond is consist of one sigma bond and other pi bond. Means double bond present in case of carbon-carbon double bond is one is the sigma bond and other one is the pi bond. Now IUPAC nomenclature in case of alkene. First example CH2 double bond CH2. Only two carbon and both carbon are attached with the double bond. Two carbon word root is eth and double bond के लिए जो suffix लगेगा वो इन लगेगा तो नाम क्या हो जाएगा, ethene. Similarly second case three carbons are there, 1, 2 and 3, but double bond is present between the first and the second carbon and always get the suffix lowest position. That's why the name of the compound is prop 1-ene. Similarly, in the third case, double bond is present in between the first and the second carbon and total carbons are the 4. That's why name of the compound is but1-ene. Now select the longest chain, and longest chain contain the 5 carbon and 4 carbon contain one prefix, that is the methyl. So name of the compound is 4-methyl pent2-ene. Here not the pent2-ene, here the pent1-ene. Not 2-1-ene. In the next case, third and the fourth carbon in between the double bond is present and longest chain contain the 6 carbon and second carbon contain the methyl group. That's why the 2-methyl hex3-ene. The next one case is the isomerism in case of alkene. Structural isomerism. Isomers are those which having the same molecular formula, and the structural isomers are those isomers which have same molecular formula but different in structural representation. So let us see first two example. In the first case, double bond is present in between the first and the second carbon, and in the second case double bond is present between the second and the third carbon. But when you see both the cases, molecular formula is C4H8, but name of the compound is but1-ene and but2-ene. So ultimately can we say that double bond position is different in the both cases? That's why both these are the position isomers. Similarly, in the second case, we see state chain contains 4 carbon, but in this case state chain contains 3 carbon and 1 is prefix here. So ultimately can we say both these to the chain isomers both having the molecular formula is same, but chain length is different. That's why these are the chain isomers. Next case, geometrical isomers. Geometrical isomerism, कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड के अराउंड, उस प्लेन के अराउंड अगर सिमिलर ग्रुप सेम साइड पर प्रेजेंट हों तो ऐसे आइसोमर को हम पहले भी स्टीरियोकेमिस्ट्री में पढ़ चुके हैं, सिस आइसोमर कहा जाता है। और कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड के अराउंड सिमिलर ग्रुप जब अपोजिट साइड पर प्रेजेंट होते हैं तो ऐसे आइसोमर को ट्रांस आइसोमर कहा जाता है। तो सिस एंड ट्रांस आइसोमर्स आर कॉल्ड एज ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमर्स। इन द केस ऑफ सिस आइसोमर म्यू यानी कि डायपोल मोमेंट पॉजिटिव होगा, लेकिन इन द केस ऑफ ट्रांस आइसोमर म्यू यानी डायपोल मोमेंट जीरो होगा। ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डायपोल मोमेंट पॉजिटिव बॉइलिंग पॉइंट हाई होगा सिस आइसोमर का। ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ म्यू जीरो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट लो होगा ट्रांस आइसोमर का। क्योंकि ये अनसिमेट्रिकल है तो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट लो होगा, क्योंकि ट्रांस सिमेट्रिकल है तो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट हाई होगा। One more thing, in case of carbon-carbon double bond, rotation around carbon-carbon double bond is not possible. Why this is not possible? Because carbon-carbon double bond hybridization is sp2 and one p orbital is unhybridized. And that unhybridized orbital is perpendicular to the plane of carbon-carbon double bond. That's why rotation is hindered. Thank you.